Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Sign into Power Automate with your Microsoft account and work credentials. Open the home page and allow the service to load. Choose between cloud flows, desktop flows, or business process flows depending on your objective. Use templates to build automations faster and to learn structure and actions. Customize triggers and initial conditions within 5 minutes to match your data sources. Save your flow and enable run history to inspect operations when testing. Start your flow by adding a trigger like when email arrives with folder filters. Add actions in sequence such as get file content and then send email with attachments. Use expressions and initialize variables to perform calculations and conditional checks. Configure loops and apply to each when handling arrays or multiple files. Use built-in connectors and adaptive cards for richer interactions. Run test cases and inspect the run history for errors. Implement conditions, switches, and scopes to control logic and reduce failures. Add parallel branches only when concurrency benefits performance and maintainability. Leverage premium connectors and an on-premises data gateway to access internal systems securely. Monitor flow usage and set concurrency limits to avoid throttling and unexpected costs. Implement error handling with configure, run after, retries, and terminate actions for predictable outcomes. Document flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.